let's learn how you can do airplane glitch on Monopoly Go game. So let us open our game. Now when you're here, you want to enable your airplane mode on control center and start rolling. What is this doing? Basically, if you keep rolling without the internet and exit the game later, rolls will come back. If you have bad luck or didn't roll what you wanted. But if you have rolled some good thing and you want to keep rolls and money you earned from these rolls, you just want to disable airplane instantly. But as I said earlier, if you had bad luck and you want to reset dices, you want to exit game, close game. Now you want to close game like this one, then enable internet connection, so shut down this airplane mode and go to game, hold it and click on remove applications. So you want to delete Monopoly Go, then go to App Store, find Monopoly Go again and download it again. What is this doing? Basically it resets you the time before you enabled airplane. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.